Hello all, welcome to Web Technologies lecture series. This is Pawan Kumar Verma, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRK Engineering College. Today the main objective in this video is to learn about lists in HTML and types of lists, and one of the important and interesting tag, marquee tag. So coming to lists. So lists are nothing but if we have some items, if we want to put them together, it is called lists. In simple, lists are used to collect a group of items. It can be a collection of group of related items or relative whatever we can call relative things. We can, if we want to group the relative things, the lists are used. There are three types of lists in this HTML. There are order list, unordered list, and definition list. These lists are very simple and easy to learn. Just you have three types of lists. First, we let us see about order list. So order list means these lists means we have the list in order. For suppose we have 6 branches in our college. If you want to give them order like one for CSE, 2 for IT, 3 for mechanical, and 4 for civil, so such and so on. So if you want to keep them in order in a number wise or a alphabet wise or Roman number wise, these order list will be used. Either the list can be numerical or alphabetic. If the lists are will be in order to be understood by the others, just starting with numbers or alphabets or alphabets or Roman numbers. This OL tag is defined on order list. If we start with OL tag, it can be treated as order list, and there are some attributes. The attributes are type is equal to 1. If we give an attribute type is equal to 1, the list will start from 1. If we given A, the list will start from A. If we had given capital A, if you had given small a, the list will start from small a. If you had given I, it will start from Roman numbers. If you had given small I, it will start from just a small Roman number 1. It will start. We can have start also. If you want to start from 5, if you want to start your list from 5, just give start is equal to 5. If you want to reverse from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, use this attribute reverse. If you want to add the just OL tag defines that it is an order list, and if you want to add the lists, if you want to add the items in this order list, you must use li tag. So here is the small example. Li tag defines a list item. So see this example. In this order list, I had taken two types of order list. First one order list, and I had taken 3 items: red, green, blue. In general, the specific format, if you had given any type, it will start from 1, 2, 3. See, after running this, it had started from in 1 red, 2 green, 3 blue. If you had given any attribute type is equal to A, it will start from A, B, C. In A, red, B, green, C, blue. If you had given alpha type is equal to I and start is equal to 3, it will start from 3, 4, 5 red, green, blue. This is simple. Just if you want to list the items in an order list, just place this OL tag, and if you want to add the elements, just enter them in li. So next, coming to unordered list, say it is similar to order list, but the unordered lists are those in which the items are not arranged in any order. It will not have any order, just it will have some bullet forms or square. If you want to write any item, just star or any symbols. If you want to use, this unordered list will be used. This defines a bulleted list. Simply we can call it as bulleted list. Like OL, we are using UL for unordered list. The attributes are type is equal to. If you want our list in disk, you just enter type is equal to disk. If you want our list in square, type is equal to square. If you want our list in circle, type is equal to circle. Simple. The example, UL is equal to li red, green, blue. So it will have in a OL it is showing 1 2 3 4. In another list it will show just the default format dot, and if you had given square it will show in square. Another list will be. So the next coming will be definition list. It will be used for definitions and their if you have any definition heading, and if you want to give in the meaning for that definition heading, it will be useful, and it will be main useful for full forms like HTML. If you want to give HTML, and if you want to write the full form of HTML in downwards, you can use this definition list. Definition list, these are list of items that have two parts, a term to be defined and the definition. For suppose we have two parts, the first term to be defined is HTML and the definition of HTML is hypertext markup language. This create list similar to a dictionary. It is like similar like dictionary. So DL tag defines a definition list. If you want to write these two terms defined and definition, you must write in DL like OL. You have to write in this DL definition list. So next defines a term. Next I have taken HTML. Take this HTML in DT. Defines a term. Definition term. Simply you write that HTML in DT and close that DT. And next you want to describe the term DD. Define definition or describe a term DD. DD means hypertext markup language. I had written hypertext markup language in DD, and I had closed DD and I had closed DL. So see this, this is the example of definition list. I want to write the definition as HTML and then define its meaning as hypertext markup language, and see like CSS and cascading style sheets. So I had written in DL, here DL, here DL. So first one is DT, the first term, HTML, and written in here DD, hypertext markup language. It will show you the downloads. Similarly CSS, so DD for defining a term, cascading style sheets. So these are the three main lists: the order list, unordered list, definition list. This is the one of the important concepts for you can get in exams. And next important tag is important and interesting tag is marquee tag. It is used for scrolling images or text. When you see any news channels, it will scroll some headlines or something. No, that for that we can use this marquee tag. There are so many attributes for marquee tag. It can be scrolled, it can be slide, or it can be alternate. Or if you want to give any BG color, you can use this BG color. If you want this direction from left to right or right to left, you can. Or if you want our text to scroll to up, or if you want to scroll your text to down, this direction attribute can be used. This is one of the interesting tag. You can try it when you are free. So let us see the lists example. So I had taken one OL on order list and one unordered list and one definition list. So see here for order list I had taken type is equal to A. If you had not given any type is equal to A, it will start from by default it will start from 1 2 3 4. So similarly for UL I had given type is equal to disk. Disk is also on default type. You can give or you cannot give. Next one I had taken one definition term as HTML and I had defined it as hypertext markup language. Now we will run this. So see this, as I had given this attribute start is equal to A, it has started from A, B, C. The disk it is actually coming from disk. So this is HTML, this is for this is the total definition list, this is order list, and this is unordered list. This is so simple, and you can, if you had written start is equal to C, it will start from C in the attribute. So you can try in several ways. I hope you will try in several ways. So thank you.